Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back to Trading Nice. Today is Friday, end of the week, August 22nd. Captured a lot of pips. We are up more than 1500 pips this week. But on the Telegram channel, we are up, I think, about 1000 pips. Yeah, this is also pips per week. For me, it's a bit more than that. So, as you can see, I was waiting for this trade, but 66.3 or 65 if possible. So I was waiting for that trade. That didn't quite happen. And yeah, so now Trump is going to come live. Well, better see what he's telling us. Hmm, so yes, as you can see, DXY falling, fell like crazy, crazy fall. This is a very crazy fall. That is why we can see this type of movement in gold, right? So our trade just missed 66.3 or 65. If I have a little buffer, I would have done that, but it just missed us. It's all right because I'm more interested in selling. If the Trump says something good about US, right? So then probably can have selling. So selling above 80. Yes, there's a trend line also. And keeping that in account, 40 pips per risk. Then the targets. Yeah, if this doesn't happen. I mean, if it doesn't come back to this selling level, this would be the first target. So on 40 pips. After this liquidity, and there is a liquidity that is present above 80 level. Yes, this liquidity. We've talked about this at the this like 11th, 12th August, telling that key maybe it will come to here to take this liquidity, but there is a liquidity there. So that could be seen, and also 86 where we have another work, but I don't think that would be seen. Probably above this after this liquidity testing 82, or from here only it will fall 80.3. After that, if we have a red candle in 1 minute time frame, we can do it. Okay. The XY seems to be still falling. So while we are seeing these charts, let me also uh, put up Trump what is talking about, so that I will know what's going to happen. Yes. Okay. I don't think he has come yet. He didn't. Okay. So I don't think he is live, guys. He is still yet to come. The news hasn't started, so that is why I think we'll have, if that happens, if he comes after this level, now that would be better. If he says good things about US, then we'll have a fall in gold, and that would be just it, just what we want, right? Mm. But this would be the target, guys, because too much buying. So yes, let's see. I have to wait for the levels to work. Until then, we'll see BTC. BTC is up, I think. Yep. BTC is up. Was it 110,000? We just missed it. Our was 110,000. 111,000. Okay, we missed it by 1,000 points. If comes to here, we could have bought it. Mm, Until this level, I'm looking uh, selling in BTC. This should happen. This should have happened here. That would have been a very ideal case scenario, and that would have given us much bigger profits. Say USD still. I mean, we can take a lot of scalps. I don't want to take those scalps. 'Cause all this have become breaker blocks and all. No, order blocks. Sorry, order blocks. Yeah, this could inherit some selling, but we are interested in this selling. I told you 80.8. I see that after red candle only we'll do, so that we have the confirmation. Mm, 80.3.4. Yes, this would be better. 81, 82. 82 if it comes to that. That would just be better. I already placed a trade here, 80.5. So I think that should be the best level to sell from. Let's hope that happens in this stream only. Way back. As I told, just we're getting some resistance from that level. But I'm still hoping that to take out this high and this liquidity. Let me draw that horizontal line of liquidity. 80.3. Yeah. So if it takes it out, that would be my selling. That would be perfect selling. Two scenarios explained. And today the trades, if I tell you what I did, here we have a liquidity sweep here. This was the liquidity sweep. A lot of liquidity there. Swept it, formed a good green candle in 5 minutes and 1 minute and every minute and double bottom everywhere. So I bought it like, but even though that, I bought it here thinking in news it will go up. There was a possibility it can come down also, but I knew ki it was the only possibility that it should go up. Gold is bullish because this level is the best level, and taking liquidity from that level is like the only trade that is left. After this, we should actually expect selling, right? So that is what we should expect if that doesn't happen. It did happen as thought, but this could have been taken. We just missed it. I was not with the charts that was happening, but 35 I took one trade and I booked it at 75 because 75 was our next selling level. If you remember, 30 whips, 40 whips का rest था. ठीक है मतलब very good, very good levels working very perfectly this week. We made a lot of pips and we are up by 1500 pips more than that. It's just good. It's just good. Yesterday, but this fall, I'll explain you this fall. This fall is because of DXY only. DXY was bullish at this time. So that is why this fall had to came. After this, that liquidity covered it up. And now when DXY is falling, it does only make sense. This should have happened yesterday only. See, after this only, I thought this would take out the 50 level and go up to 75, 70 level. But yesterday, DXY was doing something else, was trying to go into bullish mode. That is why gold did not go up from here. Only that is the reason for this. Because yesterday only we should have seen this go into 70 level. expected. Yesterday only it's like 325 levels, that is expected, but it didn't quite happen. But after that liquidity, it happened. That is a very good thing to keep in mind of. I mean, if something like this comes in the future, we are ready for it. ठीक है मतलब yeah, guys, I mean, have to wait for the levels, right? For day level analysis will do. Expected, पूरा expected था, we expected everything. यहाँ से buying होगी, we expected that 15 का level. And when this close happened, I was furious. But next day, candle only given as a this much this much drawdown, and it went up. So that was a great trade. After this, we have this market structure ka level 25, which was perfect. Then then today ka candle, which gave a little more liquidity and went up. It's all perfect, man. 60% का test भी सही से हुआ इस बार. Because before it closed below this, that was a little unorthodox. That is also because of DXY only. But overall pay, it was a good week, good understanding. Gold is gold is performing very well. Gotta say. So there is a trend line here, which is higher time frames ka trend line, of course. I definitely think we'll definitely have a pullback from that. That could be good for scalping. 100 pips ka scalp could easily happen at this trend line, and there is fair value gap ka cover, and there is also liquidity. So yeah, we can see that. You probably see that. ठीक है. So one day पे we were already from this point only we were thinking कि it's bullish, and I told you to book a trade from here at here. I don't know how many of you did. I quite did, which I was holding from a lot of time. I booked my trade around 325, 438 ka. 325 I booked. Doesn't matter. I've told you to book 1525 का वहीं पे book करने को बोला था. It was a good trade. Now this, we know, I know that this will go to 3,500. You already predicted that as well. I told you guys it will go to 3,500 after doing this 60% cut test and all. Let's go into cleaner charts, by the way, so that you guys will understand. So all from here, from this selling we expected in the daily time frame, we made a lot of profits from that. So, but this buying was expected, but we didn't think this would be the last buy it would happen. But after this liquidity ka sweep, we have this buying, which is good buying. So that told us ki yes, market is going above here. So now all the selling levels have, this selling level is done, this selling level is done. Nothing else is left for gold to stop it to go to 3,500. So 3,500 is quite possible. Uh, we should have holded trades from here 310 ka, but I was hoping, but I was thinking there's a possibility it can go lower as well, like this 288 as well. So that is why I did not take a risk. But overall level pay it will go 3,500 with this level. So this selling didn't came yet, just 380 ka. This is an order block. This selling didn't came. So Monday we can expect a red candle. Monday we can this order block. So let me see in this chart, because this chart I don't trust that much. Yes, I don't think it has. Yeah, okay. So it's not. It did not touch that level. So yeah, so it did not touch that level. So there is a possibility of selling here. So next candle will test this level. Probably, maybe it will test now only. I think yes. I think it will test now, and then Monday ka candle will be red. Maybe testing this one 50 ka level. 50 ka it will test, and मजे मजे ऊपर. That is all. There is gold after this 50 ka. I think after whichever buy it takes, after this we can't stop gold if DXY is with us. We can have closings above this easily. It will break all these levels. Nothing, nothing is stopping gold yet. So let's see. 350 ka will be the last buying for this quarter. I think this I told you was the last buying. Na 310, 315. We had a marked level 315 ka. That was the last buying we thought, and that is exactly what's happening. We should have holded more from there, but all right, it happens. But overall level pay, maybe I'll hold from this level, 350 ka level, and we can probably hold it till 500. Okay, that is as easy as it is. Okay, matlab there is fair value gaps. I know fair value gaps is here 334 tak, but I don't think they will be reached. But this would be 334 reach हो गया तो buy करो. It's a very great buy if that happens. I don't think it will happen this one, which I bought from technically. It won't happen in the future. Probably in the when gold has become bearish after 3,500 ka level, 3,600 ka level, then we might be able to see this, or we might be able to see this in Monday, Tuesday only. After this, it will go. But this one, I don't think will be reached ever. I mean, not ever. I'm just saying it won't be reached for a long time. This fair value gaps. This fair value gaps won't be reached for a very long time. हो गया इनका इनका काम हो गया. Okay. यहाँ तक possible, very difficult but possible. But this is 50 ka level would be, I think, the last buying. Let's see what we'll do. But the trade that we want to do here, I mean, is the live started yet? Because if live hasn't started, then let's know what plus. He has not yet speaking. It's not come live yet. So yeah, there's a little bit of delay. That should definitely give us time to. Let's see. Gold, come on. That takes that liquidity. We can see selling, or we can buy from here. Two possibilities, as clear as day. Let's see this one. 55 also. I don't think that happened today. That will happen. That won't happen to 200 which the नीचे नहीं आएगा unless Trump says a very big thing that affects the markets. I don't think that would happen. 50 ka level is looking juicy. This one is fine. He has a scalp, buying scalp we could do. But the better buying level would be this one. Yeah, that would be the better. Okay, I'm saying 30 minutes. Anyway, the same. This would be the better buying level. Okay, as easy as that. So buying scalp थोड़ा रह सकते हैं. Let me put that as well. Small buying is good, very low risk, अति उसका risk लगता है. But this one could be a game changer. Could be. I'll have to see how the market is doing that day. इसमें थोड़ा 50 का रखना पड़ेगा. 50 bucks. ठीक है. A lot of levels, guys. Lot of levels. This would be interesting for gold because it broke out of a range that it's been trading for a very long time. See, it's been trading in this region for a very long time. It's from 11th of August, almost 2 weeks. It's trading in this region. So yeah, breaking out of this level would be a good thing for us. We have a lot of levels above in the upside. So selling के level से buying के level से, so we can do that. Hmm. Let's see if this buy gives us something. Trump is yet not live. I don't know what's happening. Why is he is not yet live? TXY hanging on there. Now, if Trump comes live and says any good thing about US, this will give a very big candle, very fast candle, and then we'll have, but until here maybe until here, and then we'll have a little selling. It won't cover all of this. I don't think it would cover unless it's a very good news. Uh, for now, you for US right now that's not the case. You have to wait for some more time to cover this. Right now, if even a little pullback until here comes in DXY, gold can go till 50 ka level today only. But as I told you, if after this testing of that order block daily level play, if it does that, that makes much more sense, and this trade would be the best trade ever. We can it could be like a double top as well. If it happens very fast, it could be a double top as well, and that could be the best trade possibly you can do. Okay, because the best trades are those we capture more than 200 and 300 pips. Those are the best trades, and we've captured a lot of those trades this week without fail, and yeah, perfect. 325, so we captured two times, one and two, and 310 ka level, so we captured a lot of pips, and this 325 ka level, say 325, but again this liquidity, after this liquidity, this level is 320 ka level, 321 ka level, which is a good level. We have this move, gold forming very good price action, except this is because of news and DXY tolerance, because DXY and DXY gave a very good breakdown, so that not only this, we have BTC and ETH also reaching the highs. BTC पे it's not that much. I think ETH has a very good buying. Yes, yeah. ETH see the ETH see this one. This is very good. I have bought some ETH a couple time ago. It's been, yeah, it's been some months. 3,000 something per watt. What's going on? Hang on. Yep. Uh, After this selling I bought over here 3,300 pay somewhere I bought. So which was this month only. Okay. Maybe not this. After selling I bought, which was 3,000. I think this one. I think this one. Around here. Yeah, makes sense. Last month. Yeah. So this is where I bought it because thinking it will give a breakout, and it did. It did give a breakout, and that was a good breakout as well. But it fell a little bit after that. But that's fine because this is worth investing. Wala case. So ETH, I already told you that ETH is very uh, undermined crypto. That is why it's bombarding right now, and it actually could make all-time high. No, yeah, all-time high is just here, 482. So I think ETH can break all-time high. That is very possible scenario for today. But BTC, why it is not forming all-time highs? Because BTC ka buying level is still not reached. BTC ka buying level is still, but we have a liquidity. I did not see that. Okay, we have a liquidity, and yeah, good level ka test today. Okay, then BTC also can go long way from here. But we hope this would be the best level. This is the best level actually, but seems like it's not going to be reached. But from here we can expect some selling. This selling we can expect 18 ka a little bit, but do it after 118.25. That would be the better level for to sell from, because if this order block comes turns out to be a breaker block, has it touched? It has touched, but if it comes to here 118,000, that would be the best sell. I mean, from here also it can go into sell. It's a risky, but here it would be less risky. 900 points का रखो, 3,500 points. ठीक है, that would be the level. ठीक है, I have an alert. We have an alert here as well, but it did not trigger because it's not reached. It took this liquidity, which is great. Took that liquidity. Proper. I mean, I have not seen this, but yeah, proper trade. This was a proper buying a trade in BTC also. Yeah. Gold pay, it was already buying trade. It was no brainer in that. Okay, let's see how our trade is going. I mean, how the market is doing, so that we can take a trade. It has to go 100 more pips, man. It has to go 100 more pips for us to take a trade. Remember these levels. These levels are the key levels. After this liquidity, we can sell from 380.5, which is 381 or 382, whichever level you can find uh, feasible. You can do that from there. This would be a good trade. Could give us bigger profits than 140 perhaps. If you want to hold for longer time, you can sell again after reaching this order block. That we'll discuss. We'll discuss. Okay. So all the trades placed, buying a scalp here, Toto better buying here, and best possible buy over here. This would be the best possible buy. I don't know if it would reach or not, but if it reaches that, that is the best possible buy. Yeah, this from here 3,500. Take a 3,500. I told you guys before only 3,000, 3,001, 3,315 say 3,500 को देखने को, because that is such a good level, or even 2,000, 3,400 at least. After that, we'll capture more pips as we go up. So yeah, all these levels, may some of them tap, may some of them not, but they don't. But overall, but this is the scenario. Uh, Trade now. Is he talking? And just let me check. Is Trump live yet or not? Whatever he says actually matters in the market. Is not yet. Why? Is he going to? I mean, let me check the news. I mean, other than YouTube. I think he'll be live in some time. Anyway, guys, remember these levels. We'll do. I'll be with you in the Telegram channel. The Trump speaks. So this is what I'm expecting. The ideal case scenario. If that doesn't happen, something else happen, uh, which is okay to us to trade, and we have a lot of confirmation. We can try selling, we can try buying, we can try a lot of things. So candle closures would be the most important thing. We have a 4 hour candle open in a half an hour. So that could give us some more volume than we currently have. We have a lot of volume right now, but we can have a little more volume when 4 hour candle will open. And I know that it would not close above this. Closing above this would be absurd. Uh, but if that happens, that would be good, even good for these levels. These levels would be best levels to buy from. But I think the closing will be above this. So this would be, as I told you, could be a scalp, could be a better trade. This two buying levels are just nearby, so it probably will test this level rather than this. When it goes into selling, it will probably give a pullback on the first level, which we already marked, which is 90 pips. After that, we can probably have a sell till here, and then possible greatest buy from there, or it can go down. It won't go down from here 50 ka level. It will go up only. But after that, from selling from higher levels, may it come back. Then this level will be valid. Until that, this 350 ka level only I'm very confident about. Yeah, I can look it to 3,500. 500, 3,400, 1,000 points, 1,000 pips. We capture it every week. What is the? Okay. Good week, guys. Very awesome week. Awesome week we had. I personally capture more than 2,000 pips. It's crazy. So there is a possibility. I'll leave that alone. The, keep in mind of all of these possibilities. Only these will happen if they. We didn't have any SLs in this week also. In this week we had a risk freeze, two or three risk freeze, but overall we didn't have an SL. I had an SL for a buy I was about to take. I was around here. So three no sell. I was taking sell 335 sell. Here I was selling, and yeah, it was not good. It was not good, right? Mm, ठीक है. So overall पे that only SL that my trade hit was this one, 330. 330 ka selling, 330 ka selling I was doing, which was not a great level. Which is not a great level. I understood that after that. See this 30 का level था. Yes. यहाँ पे कर रहा था क्या? Yes, around here only I was doing. 334 was my best level. As you know, this was the best selling possibly, but that was also pullback selling. I shouldn't have looked for that, but I did anyways. But it took our SL and I made all of these breaker blocks, as you know. So that was the only SL that I had this week. Rather than that, it's a great week. It's a great week overall. Okay. Risky trades. We did a lot of risky trades, and this week is very good. Let's hope next week will be as good as this week. Next week we can expect consolidation. No, break. I hope कि breakout will happen next week. So buying करते जाएंगे. Lower levels में intermediate buying होगी. So we'll buy from intermediate levels. As I told you, 350 का level would be the best buy. So 200 300 पिप तो मिल जाएगा वैसे. Uh, अगर नहीं हुआ तो we'll have 335 का last buy. After that, if market closes below that, very oddly case scenario, then it's going to sell it. Well, that happens when DXY is going above 100, and that doesn't seem to be the case any time so far. So 3,500, it should give a double top here. So 3,500 तक तो जाना ही है. There's lot of liquidity there. So let's hope that. Okay, with that we end today's session. Uh, keep those levels marked. They can make this happen. Trump is not live yet, so fine. It's fine. So next time, pe, I'll be I'll be with you in the Telegram. I'll be posting the trades, but remember these levels. And yeah, guys, W's in the chat for this week. Please subscribe to our Telegram channel, and also please subscribe to our YouTube channel where I come live every day, every weekday, where trading is happening, Monday to Friday, and sometimes for analysis Saturday and Sunday. So please subscribe to our channel and make your money. Okay, guys, bye bye. Take care.